is going on, everybody? Welcome to today's video. Today we are unboxing the TAKSTAR Shotgun Microphone. This is an extremely cheap budget microphone, and I think it's pretty good, so I'm going to be unboxing it and reviewing it. This costs about $25 or $30 on Amazon. I think it's pretty cheap, so hopefully it'll be good for the price. Alright, so let's get into unboxing it. Alright, just opening up the box now. So nice foam pad. It's padded really well, actually. When you open the box, it comes with a battery, the microphone right here, and also a drawstring carrying bag. I'm not sure when you would ever use that, but it's cool that they give that, I guess. Just gonna put the battery in here, and then we have an on-off switch, a plus 10 decibel switch, and also some for level switch. I don't really know what you would use that for, but apparently that's also something. Alright, so one thing that's kind of a bummer about this mic is it doesn't turn on with the camera. It plugs into the side of the camera here, but it doesn't actually it doesn't turn on when the camera turns on, so that makes it a little bit difficult. You can forget to turn on the mic, which I've done many times. And it's really frustrating because you lose a bunch of footage. Alright, and then just like any other microphone, it just slides onto the top right here, tightens down with a little, you just turn that piece right here, and then it plugs into the side of your camera right over here. So I've actually owned this microphone for quite a while now, and it has incredible battery life. It's never gone dead on us. I think maybe we've changed the battery, but not because it was going dead, just because we were nervous it was gonna. And it has actually really impressive audio. I saw a guy compare it to like a $300 microphone, and it really was not that much different. Of course, it has less features. It only has like a couple switches on this side, but it actually does really well. So, of course, we are going to do an audio test with this. I am just going to plug this into my other microphone, so you'll be hearing the sound actually come through this thing instead of through the mic I have right here. Now we are testing the audio that is coming through the TAKSTAR Shotgun Microphone. This is actually a really incredible microphone for only being like $30, $25 or $30 on Amazon. I will leave it linked below if you want to go check that out. The audio that you're hearing right now is coming through this microphone, not my other microphone, so you be the judge if you like it or not. I've been really impressed with it. It has worked really well. Alright, so now you're going to hear the different angles from this microphone. So this is straight on, this is from the side, and this is from the back. So as you can hear, it changes a lot whether you're around the side or in the front. Now, some of the settings it has, I don't really use these. It is a very cheap microphone, obviously, so I'm not sure that they actually do much. So now I'm going to turn on the plus 10 decibel switch and see if you can actually hear a difference there. Alright, now the plus 10 decibel switch is on. Just seeing if you can hear a difference between that. Now we're going to turn it back off. Alright, now the plus 10 decibel switch is turned off, and this is the audio without that. Alright, so now there's some for like leveler switch. I'm not actually sure what that really does, but we're going to turn it on and see if you can hear the difference. Alright, now this leveler switch is turned up. I really have no idea if this does anything. I don't really use it at all, but this is how it sounds with it turned up. And now I'm going to turn it off. Alright, and this is back to normal. This is how I usually use this microphone. As I said, I've been using this microphone for quite a while. Obviously, I didn't just get it. I just had the box still. Alright guys, as far as if I recommend this microphone, absolutely. A lot of microphones with this quality can cost like a couple $100s. I will probably be talking about audio more in the future. If you want to see me unbox more microphones and recorders, etc., comment down below. And let me know what you thought about this microphone. You are still listening to the audio from this microphone, and now we are going to switch back to the other one. Now we are switched back to my other microphone. If you want to see a comparison video between this microphone and this microphone, make sure you leave a comment down below and give this a like if this was helpful at all. Hopefully I'll be doing more of the unboxing and review videos in the future. How about this new set, by the way? Painted up this shelf and threw some things on it. Boom. If you want to see more sit down and review videos, make sure you let me know down below, because I like to hear from you guys. I like reading your comments. Really appreciate you watching this video. Thank you so much, guys, and I will see you next week.